This is the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee High Altitude 4x4. The first thing you notice is the 7-slit grille. That's one slit for each continent Jeep has been on. We have cross path detection in front here, along with LED headlamps, LED fog lamps. For wheels, we have 20-inch low gloss granite crystal wheels wrapped in performance all-season tires, along with blind spot monitoring. In the back, you'll have Napa leather trimmed low back bucket seats with the heated option. Plenty of room for guests. In the middle of the console here, you'll see there's a button for the heated seats along with USB ports and 120 volt plug-in. There's also two TVs mounted in the back of the headrest. Also HDMI plug-in and RCA plugins to hook up any devices the kids may have. Moving around to the back, we have one touch power liftgate, which has 36.3 cubic feet behind the rear seats, a folding 60 split in the second row, which opens a full 68.3 cubic feet, a built-in subwoofer, a tonneau cover, and a button to close the liftgate. There are 3 ways to close the liftgate: the button in the back, the one on the key fob, and the one up by the driver's seat. On entering the front of the vehicle, you'll notice that there's an upgraded sound system, a 825 watt amplifier with 19 speakers, Harman Kardon. Also, we have the 8.4 nav system in this vehicle. We also have a leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, push button start, panoramic sunroof, This is the instrument cluster, which has a lot of information. You can set up your screen how you see fit. Stored messages come up here. Also, what radio station you're listening to, along with trip meter. This has your gas and your range, how many miles per gallon you're getting. This is your driver assist or lane departure. Also, you have your tire pressure monitoring and other monitoring systems for the vehicle. And here we have the screen for the panoramic sunroof going back. It's 2 touches, one to go back halfway, and then another touch to take it all the way back so you can open up the full panoramic sunroof. Let's look at the infotainment system and all its different settings and different screens. There's a lot of information to be had here that you can cycle through. Off-road pages gives you information. This is the Uconnect button apps section, the navigation system, and so on. These are just some of the features that are available on the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee High Altitude 4x4. For any additional questions, you can visit us at 10901 West Metro Auto Mall, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 53224, or give us a call at 414-354-8338. Ask for Chris, and I'll be happy to help you.